110 species in genus Cryptantha. FAQs about Cryptantha, a comprehensive guide. When diving into the world of plants, Cryptantha is a name that often comes up. This fascinating genus is rich with diversity and offers a variety of species, each with its unique charm. As a plant enthusiast, I've spent a lot of time exploring and caring for these plants, and I want to share what I've learned about them. What is Cryptantha? Cryptantha is a genus in the Boraginaceae family, which includes many small, often delicate plants commonly known as Cryptanthus, not Cryptanthus. These plants are native to North and Central America and are known for their small, intricate flowers and compact growth. Some species are adapted to arid environments, while others thrive in more temperate conditions. Cryptantha species. See full list at monsteraholic.com. How to care for Cryptantha. Caring for Cryptantha requires understanding their native habitats. Here are some general tips. Soil. Cryptantha thrives in well-draining soil. A mix of sand, gravel, and soil often works best. Watering. These plants prefer dry conditions. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so let the soil dry out between waterings. Sunlight. Most Cryptantha species enjoy full sun. They can tolerate some shade, but they generally perform best with plenty of light. Temperature. They are typically hardy plants, but be mindful of extreme temperatures. Some species may need protection during harsh winters. How to propagate Cryptantha. Propagation can be done through seeds or cuttings. Seeds. Collect seeds from mature plants and sow them in a well-draining soil mix. Keep the soil lightly moist until germination. Cuttings. Take cuttings from healthy plants and allow them to callus before planting in soil. Keep the cuttings in a warm, bright location. What to plant with Cryptantha? Cryptantha pairs well with other drought-tolerant plants. Consider these companions. Succulents. Their low water requirements and similar soil needs make them ideal partners. Lavender. Provides a contrasting color and fragrance while enjoying similar growing conditions. Rock gardens. Cryptantha's small size and unique appearance make it a great addition to rock gardens. Common problems and solutions. Pests. Keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids and spider mites. Treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Disease. Fungal diseases can affect Cryptantha, especially if overwatered. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering. Conclusion. Cryptantha offers a rich diversity of species, each with its unique needs and characteristics. Whether you're growing Cryptantha intermedia, Cryptantha terricaria, or any other species, understanding their requirements can help you cultivate a thriving garden. With proper care and the right conditions, these plants can add beauty and interest to your landscape.